So the same idea here, except for we're looking at pi instead of looking at pi over 2. Again, yes, it's a unit circle. This also tells us, even though it's not at this point way over here, and you also have this equation. So there's a lot of confirmation. It is a unit circle. Again, you have your x value and your y value, and so you've got sine of pi equal to 0. You've got cosine of pi is equal to -1. You've got tangent of pi is 0 over -1. That's equal to 0. We'll write tangent pi down here. Okay. You've got cosecant pi. This would be 0 over 1 unofficially, right? Which means that this would be 1 over 0, which is undefined, right? Secant of pi would also be -1. That's its reciprocal, right? And cotangent of pi would be 1 over 0, again, undefined. Okay, so there are your 6 trig functions. Part of why I think this is useful, specifically looking at the unit circle values, I think that this is a really good way to remember some of those trig functions. If you remember the unit circle, when it crosses your axes, right, when the circle is drawn and this radius is equal to 1, this is the point, 1, 0, 0, 1. You've already got -1, 0, and 0, -1. So you've got those 4 points. If you can remember those, I actually think it helps quite a bit with just remembering function values in general. Like I said, we're going to get a lot of practice with this next week when it comes to looking at graphing. Okay? See you on the next one.